Hi. So research is one of the humanity's most powerful line of office, but right now it is not accessible to everyone. What I mean by that is, in order to understand the research in more depth, you need the code to understand like how the theory gets rooted into the code, uh, because that's the most important part of the research to be able to be useful for others, and also. Uh, it is also has like a lot of jargons, uh, which is not, which it's not like applicable to everyone, and which reduces the scope of the population which who can use the research or who can like understand the research. So in our product, what we're trying to build is we are trying to build Wikipedia research for everyone. So what we do is we are trying to build a product where every paper out there is going to convert it into the Wikipedia page, and for each paper, you're going to auto-generate series of videos which explains the theory, the intuition behind it, the loss functions, how to convert the theory into code, and every other detail possible. We also do a FAQ section where each paper's most frequently asked questions are also like answered through like video series. So how we build it? We take the code, we take uh, uh, we take the code, we take the paper, we chunk the code and paper, we align them together using like a complex algorithm um, through reasoning LLM models, uh, and then we feed these list of chunks of the code section, the code understanding, and the paper together to an LLM to generate manual code, and also like generate summaries and use it to generate video tutorials. So now let's see it in action, right? So this is a paper. It's like DeepSeek math paper. Let's try this one quickly. I'm going to copy the paper, right? And then I'm going to copy the DeepSeek math code, right? DeepSeek math code. Um, yeah, we have it here, right? I'm going to place the paper from here. Okay, and then I'm going to submit the paper. So this will generate videos and their summary. As you can see, for each of the concepts here, we generate a video just explaining the concept. It also generates the code involved there, as you can see here. Uh, yeah, right. And you can also see the ideas explained here in terms of like the code and like how it interact with each other. And similarly, like we also answer an FAQ section here, where each questions are answered with their coding things. Right. Okay. So basically, through this, you can add like any number of papers. For example, let's say you're going to add the GR2 paper, and you can upload the GR2 paper, or generate the podcast summary for GR2 paper. Yeah, so that's our paper. So our idea is to take like every paper into research, which can be useful for others. Okay, thank you.